Hey guys, it is Friday here in West Virginia, and today we're taking a look at some new M2 machines truck and trailer sets, also known as auto haulers, but I just call them truck and trailer sets because that's kind of what they've changed to over the past year or so. And some of them are just 3 car sets, so kind of hard to call them auto haulers anymore. But these ones are auto haulers because it's a truck with a trailer towing a car. So, anyways, these are the ones that are trending right now. I'm going to show you the Mopar set and the Chevy set. We're going to unbox both of them. The Ford set I did not pick up. Just not my cup of tea. But the Mopar and Chevy sets sure were. I'm surprised I even found these because usually my Walmart does not start stocking again until the middle of January. And that's why I've been kind of avoiding going there every day early in the morning like I usually do. And then with my surprise, I find these today, and there's 2 Ford sets, 2 Dodge sets, and only 1 Chevy set. So that tells me either the other set was the chase and somebody took it, or somebody just wanted the regular set and took it. Usually they snag both up, so I was kind of surprised they left this one behind because it's still kind of hyped and going for more than retail on eBay. But then I started getting a closer look at it, and I noticed the case is totally smashed. I noticed the box is a little bit crunched, but then I started looking, the case is like literally shattered. I'm actually surprised they put this on the shelf because it could have actually cut someone. It's that busted up. But I started taking a look at the cars, and the truck and the 57 Chevy and trailer seem to be fully intact and in great shape. So anyways, I went ahead and grabbed it because as I said, they're still selling for more than retail, and unfortunately I couldn't find a manager today to ask for a discount, so I just paid retail for it. Which is like $18.88 plus tax, and really it probably wasn't worth it, but I don't think I'll lose on it. The Dodge set I'm definitely keeping, and I actually hid the second one because I'm going to try to scrape together the money and get the other one, because one of them I kind of want to take out and put in a diorama and leave one of them in the case and just put it on display. But I usually end up selling the second one I keep in the box or in the package. I don't even know why I buy 2. That's why I didn't buy both today. Figured I'd leave the one behind. But anyways, we're going to get the Chevy out and take a look at him. We're going to take him off the display stand because, well, the case is shot. The box is a little bit banged up. So even if I do end up selling this set, it's going to be loose and kind of parted out because, well, the box really isn't that bad. It's a little crushed. It's not even ripped. I think my Dodge box actually has a little rip on it. As you can see, this is the Chase one, 9,500 pieces regular, 750 Chase worldwide. So yeah, this case is like totally annihilated. There goes a piece of it. So you can see the whole back is gone. I can touch the cars. And there's another piece in the back of the square body. So let's get this off. It just kind of fell off basically. So yeah, even the 57 Chevy looks really good in this set. It is tubbed out with the like Hillborn and Gleese injections sticking through the hood with the little stacks. It's done in a metallic black with a turquoise roof. Could have done without that I don't know, slanted bow tie on the quarter panel. The Chevrolet performance on the door is tolerable, but honestly, I could have went without any graphics, and that actually probably could be removed. Just don't touch the silver with your acetone and take that off and just have straight metallic black with a turquoise roof. That would look killer in my opinion. And then you have your die-cast metal trailer, and that's one thing about these trailers. They are pretty heavy. They're all metal. And then you have this bad boy here. Kind of reminds me of the Fall Guy truck with the colors and the lifted suspension, but it is a crew cab dually and not a long wheelbase $2,500. So this is a really cool truck, and I think, honestly, well, we know that's what grabbed everybody's attention on this set. And to be honest with you, I prefer the regular over the Chase. The Chase, if I find it, I would just end up selling it. But the regulars I like because, well, it looks realistic with the chrome wheels and the chrome trim and the beige interior to go with the beige and brown two-tone paint job. So really, really cool looking truck. And we're going to take him off the base and take a look at him. You usually have 2 screws here, and then with your lifted trucks, they usually have another piece screwed to the base of the truck to bypass the drive shafts of the lifted suspension and the 4-wheel drive. And that is pretty cool that they did that. And as I've said before, I always praise M2 on their 4-wheel drive base or chassis, and because they are just awesome. They do a fabulous job on these chassis, and most 4-wheel drive trucks that I've gotten do not have any bent axles, which is surprising. And these dualies, honestly, the one black slammed one I have doesn't even have bent axles. I was really shocked over that. And this is the piece I was talking about. See how they're staggered to one side or the other to bypass this front drive shaft and the rear drive shaft. So that is pretty cool because these chassis are very well detailed. They're not like any other manufacturer where they have everything casted in one big chunk, and it just looks like you got big blocks where the differentials go, like Hot Wheels does and Auto World does. M2 does not do that. M2 actually took the time, and as you can see, the rear differential is not even part of the chassis. It's separate. It sits on the leaf springs, and the front is the same. And as I said, there's your drive shafts and such. It does look really, really good. And this guy does roll pretty nice and pretty straight. As you can see, the axles are pretty much not bent at all. Maybe a very, very faint wobble, but I don't even think so. Very nice truck. And has very nice detail on the rear tailgate with the Chevrolet. Red acrylic tail light lenses. Bumpers are very detailed with your bumper bolt heads. You can see them there. They're very well detailed. The dropped hitch, so you can tow a trailer with this lifted suspension. Nicely detailed grill with the gold bow tie. Nice acrylic headlight lenses and marker lights. The only thing this truck is missing is the side mirrors, and this would have been one that would be hard to make side mirrors for and put them on the truck and sell it. Probably would have been like a Tamika, like TLV car, where they put the mirrors separate and you have to put them on later after you buy it. That would have been a good idea. But yeah, that's the only thing that this casting is missing to make it look identical to the one truck. The roll bar with the fog lights, pretty cool. Really sweet looking truck. Now, the 57 Chevy, I'm just going to leave on the base for now and leave on the trailer because I'm not going to take him out the trailer and all that. But once again, very nice looking car. Kind of went over it and such already. Nicely detailed back end with the lights and such. And you can see the heavy metal flake in the paint. Nice detail on the front end with the gold grill, just like the original. Very nicely done, and the hood bullets are there. They did a very nice job on their 57 Chevy casting. That's one of their classics. Now moving along to our Dodge set. Here he is. You have a 1974 Dodge W200 Power Wagon as your tow vehicle, and then a 1970 Dodge Truck Adventurer 150 as your Scat Pack Pro Touring Hellcat truck. It's got the Hellcat engine and transmission in it, and probably rear end, and modified suspension and all that stuff. So he is your show vehicle. Pretty cool setup. Like that they have this front box that you could use as like storage for different wheels and tires, tools, luggage, whatever it may be. It kind of fills that big void on the front of these trailers of M2s, because M2's trailers sometimes look a little bit oversized to me. I know for sure the jack is way overkill on them, but the only person that I think makes a perfect trailer, in my opinion, is Greenlight. The Johnny Lightnings and Auto Worlds, sometimes they look a little bit big. Hot Wheels, they're a little bit too beefy, and then the M2s are not bad besides that jack. They're a little bit too big. So anyways, let's get this out and take a look at him. I'm just going to pop the case top off and we'll take a look at it. I'm not going to pull the vehicles off the base today because of the time. And once again, I'm not sure if I'm going to grab the second set to open and put somewhere else. I may just keep this set in the acrylic case, and then when I do want to do like diorama shots, I'll take the trucks off the base. I've done that before. Just like my Ram Charger set, I took off the base to take some video, some pics and such, and then I put it back together, and I ended up putting the 65 Coronet on the back of the ramp back truck. So this two-tone green is pretty cool, different, like the, I don't know, seafoam green, mint green, I don't know what to call it, and then the rocker panels and roof are done in like a dark, like forest green, and detailed tail lights, Dodge on the tailgate, and then very nice job on the front end with the grill, the markers, headlights, all of that, and the bumpers. And these hoods do open, and they are a little bit tight, but they do open. As one of my viewers on my orange Dodge truck, the first one I got, he commented, they won't break, I promise you. They're tough though. And he was right. I got the hood to pop open on my plow truck the other day, because I do have a separate plow truck, or second plow truck I should say, in my Mr. Norm's diorama. And I ended up popping the hood on it, and it does open and close. These are like very nicely designed hoods. The gaps are nice. They open and close very nice. Tight, but very nice. So yeah, he was right. So thank you for that tip. And then the purple one. The bed looks like it may be able to be adjusted slightly. It looks like it's bowed up a little bit. That's the one thing that M2 has a problem with sometimes, is bolting these trucks together properly. But yeah, this paint reminds me of Plum Crazy with like a metal flake in it. Looks pretty cool. And as you can see, they've taken like the Hellcat type scoops and grafted them to the Power Wagon or Adventurer hood. It looks really cool. And can't tell much about the interior. The windows are smoked, which is pretty cool. You would probably do that to a custom truck. And then you have detailed tail lights once again, the Dodge on the tailgate, and I believe, let me zoom in and see, but yeah, that's an SRT Hellcat emblem under the Dodge. That's pretty cool that they integrated that into the tailgate. That's pretty sweet. And then you have your Hellcat emblems on the front fender leg. So very nicely done. And then they have a model kit of this truck that's red and it has chrome wheels. Looks very good. I will be getting that if it comes up available at my Walmart and assembling it with the chrome wheels. It comes with black or chrome. And I think it would look dynamite with the chrome ones, because I've seen a couple Chevy square bodies with the chrome ones of these style wheels, and they look really good from the square body syndicate. So guys, that's it for our trucks, our new M2 truck sets, to give you a close-up look at them. And anyways, I'll be back again over the weekend with another video But enjoy your first weekend of 2024, guys, and I will see you Saturday or Sunday with something else. Thanks for watching.